Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm out here at Shasta Lake again, doing some more bank fishing. Gonna be throwing a jerk bait today, probably a Senko, maybe a jig. Just trying to catch any bass I can because it's still pretty cold out here. The wind is blowing really bad, so I don't know how good the audio is gonna be, but I hope it's gonna be good enough. If you want to save 10% off on Empire rods, then go to empirerods.com and use discount code BIGCOUNTRY. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Alright y'all, I don't know how well this audio is gonna be, but I got Guggen Scout with my Lose Mach 2 reel. Okay, doing this for now. Now I'm gonna do the Nico rig and just hope for the best on this one. Honestly, I had 2 bites here last time, but that didn't help any because I didn't catch anything. So with the Nico rig, you just work it basically just like a Texas rig. Just popping it. You can let it drop again. There we go, finally. There we go. Not too bad. Oh. Hey bud, what's up? Not too bad at all. Definitely not bad. Nice little chunk too. Okay, I literally just caught this guy on some random Senko that I found just laying on the ground. We're going with a little over 1.5 pounds. Nice little chunky guy. But go, let him go. Let him go now. Alright, so that was pretty awesome. I just caught that fish with some random Senko that I found on the ground. And I already had a Senko that was all ripped up, so I just took the weight off of it and basically just had a weighted wacky rig. Now I got a Guggen Monker log, 7-man color. Finally. Just got this little guy too. Ooh, not too bad. So I was wanting, anyway, I was wanting to do more than, just catching them on the Senko, but that seems to be the only thing that I can catch them on, and I'm going with that. Whatever works, right? Still going with that Guggen Squad lunker log 5-inch that is cinnamon color. Well, I finally got out of there. I got tired of the wind mainly. I bet it was horrible quality for you guys. I got my 2 fish, missed one, and I just couldn't handle it anymore. I hate fishing in the wind. It just annoys me. I just get really upset with the wind. It's not fun to fish in. Just straight, not even close to being fun to fish in. But anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.